What's up everyone? On this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to properly foam roll your iliotibial band, also known as your IT band, and your tensor fascia lata. Now to preface this, your iliotibial band might be the most excruciating thing that you foam roll compared to any other part of your lower extremity. That is typically because of the tension from sitting a lot at work, and if you've noticed that when you do any kind of squat movement that your feet externally rotate when you go down, that could be a sign of tight iliotibial bands. So, there are three primary functions of the iliotibial band. Number one, it will extend the hip. Number two, it will abduct the leg. And then number three, it will externally rotate the hip. So, the iliotibial band runs all the way from your hip to your knee. And when it comes up here, this is the tensor fascia lata. Most people are okay at the top part of the hip. In other words, they're a lot better with foam rolling this area. Now when they start going a little bit closer to the knee, that's when they start finding knots or trigger points or spots that just feel absolutely terrible. And hey, that's why you're doing it, because there's reasons why you have some dysfunction and pain in there, and by foam rolling, that will help take out a lot of that tension on your hip abductors. When you first start doing any kind of foam rolling on your tensor fascia lata or your IT band, it's gonna be a little goofy. You're gonna get down here and you're gonna be like, well, what do I do with my other leg? Well, that's totally okay. What I like to do personally is I like to bring my leg over here in front because it gives me more of a counterbalance. And what I do is I roll back and forth on my right side. So if you can see a little bit clearly, I'm just right on the lateral side of my leg, just like this, and I go all the way down to the knee. And then from here, like right there is extremely painful for me because I just did legs. So what I'll do is I'll kind of sit there, roll slowly. I'm not gonna go back and forth like this. I'm just gonna find that spot, sit on it, and roll slow through that. And then I come all the way back up, and then I go all the way back down through that same area, and whew, man, I'll tell you what, if you haven't done this before, it'll wake you up. That spot right there is super tender. So again, find the spot, sit on it, let it mellow out a little bit, and then from there, keep rolling through. And just like anything, go to the other side, do the other leg. So this will help with your abduction of the leg, with extension, and it will take away from whenever you're squatting, your feet will, and your leg in general won't externally rotate as much when you're doing squats. As I mentioned before, by foam rolling your tensor fascia lata and your IT band, this will help with squats. It will help you feel looser. It will allow you to abduct your legs more, and it will help with the functionality and stability of your stance during any power movement to make sure that you have the best athletic performance that you can. So, stay tuned to the next video. The next video is going to be on another part of the lower extremity, and we're going to teach you how to foam roll that area as well. And there are some other videos with the upper extremity coming soon towards the end of these videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do and you enjoy these kind of things as far as athletic performance, fitness, nutrition, weight loss, longevity, and the areas to try and make your life as great as possible, please comment, subscribe, like my video. It really helps me get these out to more people just like you who want to learn and get better every day. Thanks so much, guys, and I appreciate your support.